My name is Nick Krieger. I'm a commercial fisherman out of San Francisco. On Saturday morning, May 23rd, a fire broke out at Pier 45 in Shed C. It was packed from end to end to the ceiling of crab pots. And the fire burned from one end to the other, destroying all the fishing gear. This fire has been devastating to the local fishing fleet. It's affected over 2/3 of the boats in San Francisco. We lost over 8,000 crab pots, and there'll be many fishermen or women that won't be able to fish next year. We need the support of the community to come together and help the San Francisco fishing fleet so that we can get back out there next season and catch crab to put on your table. Without the help from seafood lovers in the area, we won't have much of a crab season at all next year. Thanks for your support.